Okay, y'all, so I am going to actually put together, let me get my foot together. Oh boy. So this is the arm. Let me see if they still the same. It looks like it's the exact same. For which, if so, I'm truly happy. Because I hate when you buy stuff and then they change, you know, the product change on you, and then you're like, oh man, I set up here and told people X, Y, Z, whatever. So with this, y'all. See how they have the extra screws? So pretty much it's self-explanatory for the most part. So you have 4 holes at the bottom, 2 holes in the middle. The 4 holes that are at the top is where your motor would sit. Let's see, like so your motor would sit there. Okay, and then you have your 2 in the middle where your arm would sit. Your arm meaning where your tumbler arm would sit as it spins. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have the little screwdriver, and this time I might actually use it because I don't have my electrical in here with me. And they have this little wrench, whatever you want to call it, that thing there. So when I do mine, I feel like it's not flat. It says spare parts. So that's that one. I am going to, I'm sorry, I can't work with these gloves. So let's see what they say. You're going to put the 4. And my assumption is turn it around. So this is out here. Not like that. I had it backwards, my bad, y'all. But anyway, so it'll be, bam. Then they have the little screw heads, I guess is what it's called. Let me see, I dropped the screw. You want to make sure that it's lined up correctly. And keep in mind, y'all, that it's not tight yet, so you don't want to make a move too quick to start using it. Always make sure that you tighten up. See that? From the bottom, how it looks. So you can screw it in while holding this. So what I do, I use a screwdriver and I just hold like so. Or I'll take the wrench, hold this while I screw. Take the wrench, hold it while I screw. And it's steady turning. Okay, there we go. See, I can't turn anymore. I have that done there. And there's epoxy on here. So again, your baby wipes. Your baby wipes gonna be your best friend, y'all. Okay? Remember that. So you wanna make sure. And epoxy must have fell from earlier when I was epoxying the tumblers, but that's okay. And just make sure I have that wiped off. And be careful with what I'm sitting it at. That's the biggest thing. So see how this is on there? Not moving. So the next piece is going to be attaching this part. These two holes here. Okay. So I know I heard a few that failed. It didn't close the box, so spare parts being used. But I'll get it when I get a, like I said, I'm working with a jacked up toe right now, so I'm not, see what I'm saying? Enthused on getting down there and pick it up now. So for this one, same thing. This is really something very simple you can do by yourself. No rhyme or reason right now because it ain't tight, but you did it. Hope y'all can see that. You tighten it as tight as you can, and then bam. You align both holes. Yeah, I hope I don't drop this screw. You tried it, devil. Hey, the baby. It's my fur baby, y'all. So, no epoxy is on here. Gonna hold this like so. Screw this on. Same thing, hold this while I screw this on. So far this is what we have. You have the motor at the back. You have your twister, I don't know what that's called. You have your armrest, okay? And then you use a regular plug. I'm just checking y'all. I feel like something be on you. Anyway, so this is this part. So then I do need an arm on my drawer. It always so loud, y'all, for no reason. So you have these holes here. It's one on each side. Uh-oh. That's one. That's one. So you're going to align them, align the two. This looks way better because it used to be just like this. The screw was longer, but the twist part was there. So this is easier. I like that. To be able to take it off, stand it on the thing. But you're gonna align the screw. Maybe I should go from the bottom. So you're gonna align the screw like so. I'm gonna twist it on. And that's it. So let's see what we're working with, y'all. Bear with me, y'all. Oh, Jesus. I can't wait for this to go. And I have to be extra careful because I do have my other tumblers already spinning. Let's see what we got. Oh, girl, I already on. Shut up. Can you see? No. I don't know how to zoom in with an iPhone yet. I'm sorry, I'm still learning. But see how it's spinning? Do I have this one? Doesn't have. Let's see. Twist turns a little faster as well than the other one. I like it. Let me see something. So it's turning to the left. Let me see if it'll go to the right when I turn it back on. Nope. Oh well. Yes! Okay. Satisfied, y'all. So this is the LFSUM cup turner. Okay, so the only upgrade that I can see is the power button, which is at the back. I can't move the other one because it is turning, and then the screw here. So it looks like it'll make, yeah, it'll make it a lot easier. So like say for instance, once this has been turning for 6 to 8 hours, when I'm ready to sit it up there, I can do so. So that works out perfectly. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little tutorial as to how to put together a tumbler turner. And again, this was bought from Amazon. I don't know how to link stuff yet to Amazon as much as I purchased from Amazon. I don't know none of that, but I'm gonna learn and I'm gonna let you know. Y'all have a good one.